What is up, folks? We are at the lake today. I accidentally forgot the pack of lures that I wanted to use, so I'm gonna have to use a really similar pack of lures that is a different color. So we are gonna see how that works. Sorry for this shoddy camera work, by the way. I'm trying to rig up, or not rig up, I'm trying to put this paddle together. There we go. So I have one green one left. That's the exact one I caught that lake record spot on. And then I have a pack of silver ones, so we're gonna see if that works. It's also like 7:15 and sunset's at 7:52, so I don't have much time. Let's get into the fishing. There we go, folks. Got one here. Not a giant, but we'll take it. Oh, splashing me. There we go. Ouch, spined me a little bit. Nice little bass right there. Let's get the release. Peace. Pass number 2, folks. There we go. Let's get him off the hook here so I can go catch another little largemouth. Peace. Oh my gosh. What do I have? I have something tiny. Oh. Mr. Gill. Holy crap. How did you get that down your throat? Hardy, folks, Mr. Bluegill. Peace. There we go, folks. Whoa. Well, this feels like a little bit of a better one. Now we're talking. Here we go. This is a good one. Oh my gosh. Now we're talking. Pulling the whole kayak around. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a really good one, folks. 6-pound test, we gotta be careful. I can't just horse some. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a giant. Ooh, yes! Look at that bass! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let's go! Oh my gosh! Let's go! Oh my gosh! This is the bass that I have been freaking looking for, folks. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, well, no point in wasting our time with this scale if it doesn't want to work. Okay, guys. Here's y'all's view on this bass. As you can see, it is a girthy one. I imagine it's around 5 pounds. Wish my scale was working. It's a nice bass. Let's get the release. whole apparatus off right here. There it goes. Back out to deep water. Let's catch another. Alrighty folks, I am paddling back now. That was a fun fishing trip, but I don't want to be home super late because then it's so hard to wake up in the morning. I get no rest ever. So we're headed in. Alrighty folks, thanks for watching that video. Hope you enjoyed. You're probably going to see some more night bite videos coming out soon here because I've been catching them so much on Night Off the Kayak. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.